Are you looking for practical and effective ways to improve yourself in different areas of life? Do you want to learn how to unlock your full potential and be more productive and organized? Do you want to discover science-backed tips and techniques that can help you achieve your goals and dreams? If you answered yes to any of these questions, then you are in the right place. Your Daily 5 provides you with 5 actionable insights every day that you can incorporate into your daily routine. From mental health to money matters, or that something that makes life a little bit simpler, we have a video for you. We cover a wide range of topics that can help you transform your life and unlock your full potential. Each day, we bring you evidence-backed recommendations in a concise and easy-to-digest format, so you can make meaningful changes to your life one action at a time. We upload new videos every day. You will never run out of ideas and inspiration to improve yourself. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe to your Daily 5 today, and join our community of people who are committed to personal growth and development. Your Daily 5, small changes, big impact.